Hi, welcome to Clydesdale Homestead. I'm Harold Clyde. Today I'm going to talk about cherry pitters because we have cherries. So a few years ago I inherited this handy dandy cherry pitter from my parents after they passed away. I had this as a child. You can still get a version of this on Amazon for between $15 and $30. So pretty simple little machine. Comes out of the box. Your cherries go in here, they roll down here, you pit them that way. It even has a little cup to catch your pits. You can screw it onto something. And the best way to use this is to put it back in the box and to put the box in the trash. So I remember as a child trying to use that pitter. It would walk on the cutting board when you got it on there. It was difficult to use. The cherries would stick to the pitting rod. The pits would stick to the cherries. The cherries would get torn. It was slow. It didn't really feed by itself, so you still had to feed the cherries in one at a time. And I really hated it as a child. So when I found it at my parents' house, I thought, well, maybe it was just me. And as an adult, I'll have more dexterity and it will work perfectly. And I will be able to pit just gobs of cherries in no time at all. So I came home, set it up, tried it out, and I still hate it. And it still doesn't work right. And that's why it belongs in the trash can. So today I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned cherry pitter. So this is my old-fashioned cherry pitter. It costs about $1. So you find the cheapest fork you have. If you have camping gear, it's probably in there. Your local thrift store probably has these forks for a quarter or $1. Buy a couple, make some for yourselves, make some for your kids, and get help pitting your cherries. And you simply take your pliers and you bend the outer tines back all the way. Then you take your pliers and you grab the tips right here and you twist them up. 90-degree angle. The good news is this is a cheap fork. If you don't like the way it turned out, and make another one. Or if they're too close together, you can spread them out. If they're too far apart, you can push them together. Adjust it until you like it. And then it's very simple to use. You take your cherry, you can go in from the flower end or you can go in from the stem end. I like to go in from the stem end. I take the sharp parts, I slide those right over the top of the stem, where the stem was, right like that. You can actually start to feel the pit. You slide your prongs behind the pit, you grab it and you pull. I kind of push with my thumb a little bit and pull. There's the pit, there's the cherry, and there's the old-fashioned cherry pitter. Put it in the bowl and go on.